BK credit point. So here is an opportunity, internship opportunity from the local app. So I hope you already you know it. The local app, it is for news app. So for this, in this news app, so they opened some internship opportunities. So it is about backend developer internship. So the location is Bangalore. Start date is June 2, 2024. Duration is 6 months. Stipend will be 35,000 per month. Story of a local. Founded in 2018, Local is on a mission to strengthen hyperlocal communities by enabling its mostly non-English users to share, interact, and transact in their regional language. However, go through all the content which is provided here. So job description is Java, Python, Django, Flask, Spring. Responsibilities are mentioned here. Requirements are mentioned here. Requirements: strong data structures and algorithms. Programming languages: Python with Java or Java with Spring Stack. So those who are having these skills, they can apply for it and share to your friends. Those who are in need. So local interview process also they have mentioned here. Local varies from position to position. Typically, you will be having 3 to 4 rounds of discussion, problem solving, mentoring, ability to work, cultural fitment for local. So the link is provided in the description box. You can apply if you are interested.